the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Alright! Same shirt, different episode, you know that. And today, we were gonna use Chajan apron. What it says, enjoy the meal because it's no budget show. So, for the first time in our history, I'm gonna wear apron. Looks weird, right? Tawa sa dati. Weird. Okay. Weird. Is it? So today we were gonna cook mechado. Alright? So mechado is usually a beef stew cooked with a thick layer of fat, and there's soy sauce and tomato sauce. But since we don't have beef and beef is expensive, we were gonna make chicken menudo. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'll start. Alright, ingredients. We have there our chicken. Ooh, sorry for the sound. We have our soy sauce over there. That's Kikoman. We have our pepper. Then, hi there, Smile tomato sauce. Then we go over here. We have our carrots, our onion, Smile. And no, that is potato. My bad. Potato, then carrots, then green peas. You know that. Let's cook menudo. later.